Perfect holiday gift for men. Viking Revolution Beard Kit for men is what your man needs to look smoking hot this holiday. This ultimate beard care kit contains wooden Boar's hair beard brush, double-sided pocket beard comb, sandalwood beard oil, sandalwood scent beard styling balm, and beard scissors in a cool metal tin. Complete grooming. Use the brush and comb for detangling your beard before giving it a trim with the scissors. Then moisturize and soften the hair with beard oil, before styling with the beard balm. Great value set. We've combined the best mustache and beard care products we can offer in this ultimate grooming set at a fantastic price. Get an amazing deal on brilliant beard care products. Perfect gift. Ideal for anyone with a beard or mustache, or thinking about growing one. All the beard care products they need come in this portable, travel-friendly metal gift box. The Viking promise. If for any reason, you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us and we'll take care of it. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I got this for my husband for Christmas and he loves it. His beard is much softer and the sandalwood scent is amazing. He likes the fact the brush and combs don't pull his beard when brushing it. We'll definitely be ordering more and recommending it.